Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, we are going to be planning for May of 2024 in my digital planner, and honestly, I'm going to be setting up my iPad to match the aesthetic as well. So I landed on kind of like a pastel florally type of aesthetic, particularly because I love florals, so that shouldn't come as a surprise, but I normally don't opt for pastel types of colors, so I thought I would get out of my comfort zone, if you will, in May. So I hit up Pinterest and I searched for either May 2024 or May 2024 wallpaper, May 2024 photo aesthetic, and I just kind of searched through there to find some photos that were going to grab my attention. And right now what I'm doing is I am just changing my wallpaper, well, my home screen and my lock screen, and then I'm updating the widgets using the Widgetsmith app. I did do a whole video on that. I've actually done videos on setting up my iPad for a new month or just changing the aesthetic using Widgetsmith, etc. a couple of times in the past, so check out those videos if you're interested. I'm also changing the colors of the folders in GoodNotes so that they match the aesthetic. So I'm moving towards a pink, and then I'm changing the front cover for my planner. I do make my own digital planners in Keynote. I also have a video kind of outlining how you too can make your own digital planners. That video outlines 10 different ways. I just continue to use the Keynote app, which is available on your iPad or any other type of Apple product for free. I say nothing in life is free. That's because you gotta pay big money to get an Apple product to be able to access this feature for free. So I don't know if you really consider it free. Similarly, technically creating my own digital planners is free and using a digital planner is free, but obviously that's because I have already made the initial investment in purchasing the iPad and purchasing the pencil to write with. So anyway, right now what we're doing is setting up the monthly calendar. So I like to kind of reference my work planner and my Google Calendar. I'm like, my Google what? I use Google for everything. I'm just a Google girl. So I'm like, what was I using? Google Calendar, because I use tasks, I use Google, I use Chrome, I used everything, Gmail, everything Google. So Google Calendar is what I was trying to say. And I was flipping through my sticker books and I saw a May sticker sheet from Squirrel Studio, I believe. So I am using that. That is a freebie that you can get your hands on if you wish. And I also did a video all about where I get my free stickers from as well. So I'm basically just using almost every sticker from that pack pretty much. That was what I was aiming to do. And so what I decided is I was going to use the lighter pink for for personal things. I was going to use the orange, the dark orange for work things. I am using, and then I'm using, wait, what did I decide on? The reason why I'm using different colors is because I was doing color coding. And then I think orange was going to be personal things. Maybe light pink was work/personal things. So as an example, they are hosting this teacher appreciation thing on Friday, May the 3rd. And so it's kind of work and kind of personal. So I think I was maybe using pink for work/personal, but I really did have a method to my madness. But now I'm realizing maybe I should just change the teacher appreciation thing to dark orange, although it really doesn't matter, but I was just letting you know that is what I was attempting to do. So what I'm doing now is I'm just going through and I'm just filling in everything that I have going on in May of 2024. Let's address the elephant in the room. School lets out for the summer in May. I was gonna say this month, but May 1st is tomorrow when you're seeing this. So I can say technically when you're watching this, it's May 1st, which means school is out for the summer in May. Our last day of school is going to be May the 31st on a Friday, technically the 30th, and that's the kids' last day. And then on that Friday, we have like a professional development teacher work day to kind of close out for the year, and then that's going to be it. And then I will officially be on summer break. That's the elephant in the room, that summer break is upon us. So technically I have 20 more work days right now as of April 30th. And then I guess 4 weeks of school. I think that's right. So anyway, all I'm doing right now is filling out the monthly calendar, and I'm just adding in all of the to-dos. Sometimes I will find myself, I'm using Didot. I think it's Didot. That's the font that I'm using in italic. It is one of my favorite fonts. I use it for everything. I use it pretty much every month. I'm gonna double check that that's the right thing. And if I can find the actual font, I'll link it down below because it was a free font as well. And I'm pretty sure I downloaded it from either iFont or DaFont. So check out both of those if you are interested in getting free fonts. I know a lot about fonts and free images and all that kind of stuff because I once used to design stickers and sell them in my Etsy shop. And so, you know, before a sticker, an actual sticker becomes a sticker, it normally starts out in a digital capacity. And so in doing so, I was always searching for wallpapers to use for stickers, and I was looking for stickers to use the stickers to resell, and just different elements to create stickers, fonts, and all of that. So pretty well versed in that area. In fact, I even have a lot of fonts that I have purchased, and I need to go through all of those and bring all of those into my iPad so I can use them in GoodNotes when I'm planning. That would be fun. Now, I will have to say, sometimes I do handwriting, sometimes I don't. I don't know why, but for May, I was thinking that I would not do handwriting and that I would rather like to use the scribble feature or the keyboard to use an actual font, just because it just is prettier and more aesthetically pleasing, to be honest. And then I am using the labels that have kind of like a border around them. They're white stickers, if you will, with colorful borders that match the kit. And I was attempting to use those for some of those events that I really want to pop on the page, because I want to be able, when I look at them, when I look at my page, I want my eyes to be drawn to those particular events. So that's what is happening there. That's why I'm choosing to use those different types of boxes. And then I did bring over a dog paw to remind myself to give my dog her monthly medication. And then I brought over a credit card sticker to remind myself to pay our credit card. And those two stickers were from the Dash Planner. They're actually stickers that came with the first digital planner that I ever purchased, which happened to come from the Dash Planner. Those stickers came included with the planner. So that's how I got those stickers. But otherwise, of course, we know I do love to search for free stickers. Right now, what I'm doing is setting up my monthly dashboard. So I'm bringing over all of the goals from April, because my goals just repeat themselves every month, and I'm adjusting them and tweaking them a hair. Oftentimes they change just a little bit. And then I also brought over all of my monthly to-dos from April, because there are some recurring monthly to-dos or tasks, but I also brought over the tasks that I had written in for April that I knew I was not going to get done in April, and I just went ahead and brought those over to May. So I will be working on those in May, although many of these include things that I don't really want to do and kind of like home projects, so they might be being pushed back to June when I'm officially out of school and can work. Well, I can work on these things now, I just don't want to. So that may be happening. And then I'm bringing over the habits that I track every month. So that's gonna be it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a like, subscribe if you're new and if you're liking what you're seeing, and I will catch you guys right back here in a few days in a brand new video. Bye guys.